Oceans have been playing a pivotal role as trade routes in the history of mankind. And this fact does not change in case of Indian Ocean, which is almost 20% of world's ocean area and connects shores of 3 continents. It has an incredible honor to host 23 of the world's top 100 container ports. 80% of the world's seaborne oil trade is passing through the choke points present in Indian Ocean. China's Belt and Road Initiative largely focuses on Indian Ocean. A large population of littoral states depends for their quality of life on Indian Ocean. What a catastrophe if this ocean is hit by a conflict. And if it's a nuclear one. Too much of militarization of ocean on behest of the security concerns of superpowers has done all bad to this one of the biggest maritime economic platform. And with nuclearization of this ocean, worse is still to come. Nuclearization of Indian Ocean is no more a myth now, as India plans to nuclearize it to achieve the status of great power. But it will be on the cost of freedom of navigation in Indian Ocean. Can the world understand the Indian nuclear maneuver? Is abrogation of 370 and 35A in Indian Constitution is the first step towards it? If not, the biggest economic and climatic disaster is coming soon.